And I just have one more question.
Mhm.
I want to see about regrading. Like if the yard has like a slope, um, I have to put some dirt in. Have you ever done anything like that?
Yeah, we used to do a bunch of them back in the day. What's your total annual revenue right now?
Um, say 50,000, 60,000.
And do you want to take this in the direction of more lawn care and recurring based business, or are you trying to do more project services?
Um, I say definitely for this year, lawn care, repetitive service.
Yeah.
And then just try to get more lawn care with those people. Get projects out of them. And
Yeah, like
I guess it's
I think going into the regrading game is a completely different industry in my opinion compared to mowing, right? And so you're going to be talking about
right,
excavation, you're going to be talking about knowing grades, you're going to need to know about laser levels, you're going to be working with other contractors typically if they are doing a big hardscaping project or a pool, or if they're just trying to regrade their lawn, like you're tearing out a lot of the lawn, you're having to haul away debris.
hey, I don't mean to cut you off. I wanted to see like should I be accepting these jobs from customers or it depends like
I wouldn't
because these
recommend it.
customers are like oh
I
yeah
wouldn't
yeah because
recommend
I
it
mean
because
I want to get new
if you're
experience
doing
but
50,000 in annual revenue, one regrading job's gonna be 5, 10 grand. You're talking about 10% of last year's revenue in one project. Like those are the type of projects I see people lose their shirt on, and it's easy to get involved in that because like man, a couple of those jobs I could literally double my revenue. Yes, you could, but you're also going to need more equipment,
right
more experience, bigger trucks to be able to haul this debris away. So it's a completely different ball game. I just be careful with trying to sprint before you've really started to jog, right? You've got started, like you got
mm-hmm.
50,000. That's definitely something. But like, do 150, do 200. Then maybe you start to focus on these regradings when you have the capital and the experience, and you've been jogging before you start trying to sprint, which is really what that kind of project is. Like regrading is no monkey business. Like you really got to know what you're doing when it comes to bases, the grit of your compact base level and stuff like that, and really figuring out grades. So it's definitely a very
Mm-hmm.
much more complicated than mowing. So figure the mowing side out, figures the business side out, hiring, etc., and then jump into something like that. I would say in a couple years.
Okay, for sure. And I want to say to everybody on the live stream, we're dedicated. We're looking to grow. So salute to everybody on here.
Awesome. All right, there.
Thank you.
Yeah, take care. All right.